We are here today in North Hollywood. We just completed a beautiful job with a fencing, some sliding gate, pedestrian gate, and a huge yard enclosure. This project took at least 2 days due to the many pieces that were involved in this project. So I'm going to go ahead and open it for you. Here it is opening. As you know, these are all powder coated aluminum in our facility in Canoga Park. We take pride in our quality materials. These are long-term maintenance-free product where you never have to worry about any sort of rust issues or painting. Basically, it's very low maintenance. Here's a pedestrian gate, and we have all this fencing all the way around. We had done some previous work in this property several weeks ago. As you can see, those fence toppers, the gray part was there. They wanted additional security and privacy, so we added those panels on top of the existing wall. It actually goes all the way around the property, almost 300 feet. And we just completed this section here. Okay, so here we go. We are proud to present our quality product here, and thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next beautiful installation from Mulholland Brand.